Speaking Part 1, Questions and Answers, Food and Cooking. 1. What sorts of food do you like eating most? Why? I am not fastidious about eating. I eat to live a healthy and balanced life. Usually I opt to consume traditional food easily available at my home. I think I must tell that today traditions meals are prepared with the help of modern recopies. I enjoy having vegetarian and non-vegetarian food like pulses, rice, salad, loofah, fish, and chicken, so on. 2. Who normally does the cooking in your house? Why? Why not? Frankly speaking, women are assigned to cooking and men are to work and bring grocery. I have grown up watching my grandmother and mother preparing 3 times food for us. When it comes to commercial cooking, men excel there. They work in big restaurants and self-run eateries. The food prepared by my mother is so delicious and full of hygiene. It is believed that food made by women is so delicious. 3. Do you watch cookery programs on TV? Why? Why not? To be true to myself, I am not inclined to learning to cook food. I have never tried cooking anything so far. Sometimes I do watch cookery shows on TV and YouTube. Mr. Adnan Farake is one of the famous cooks. His recopies are easy to follow and avail. He teaches domestic and commercial cooking to enhance the taste and generate the revenue. 4. In general, do you prefer eating out or at home? Why? I come from rural area and people out here don't prefer eating out. It is believed that the food prepared out is not healthy and hygienic. It may cause your illness and sickness. We are, since childhood, preached not to eat out. We enjoy food prepared at homes. I sometimes go to city and try fast food there. Speaking Part 2, Questions and Answers. Describe a house apartment someone you know lives in. You should say, whose house apartment this is. Where the house/apartment is. What it looks like inside. And explain what you like or dislike about this person's house apartment. Model answer: Bangladesh is one of the most populated countries, stands on the 8th position. It is sometimes difficult to find a perfect place to put up. People here in my country reside in rural, urban and semi-urban areas. People here mostly live in their own house built in traditional and modern ways. Modern houses are very popular among city people. Apartments are now becoming first choice for the people who live in the cities. It is undeniable that apartments cater to the need of large folks reside in metro cities. Here I would like to talk about an apartment owned by my uncle in our hometown, which is about 30 kilometers away from my residence. I live in a small village of northern province of my country. The apartment is built under the Bashundara residential area project run and managed by the Real Estate Gain DLF. The apartment is located in the heart of my hometown. It is an ideal location to live in. It is well equipped with modern facilities, electronic equipments, modern-day bathroom, well-furnished kitchen, balcony and a small lot of the park. I firstly found it good when I went on comparing with other houses. I did not find it worth to live. It is constructed as if there were lack of space. I felt that I am in a closed place. Less spacious bedrooms, kitchen and bathroom are that really annoying. It looks beautiful from outside view. I consider that it was not built with proper planning. There are some flaws in the structure of this building. On the other hand, traditions houses are spacious. People have their own choice to get anything fixed in their own ways. Apartments don't offer such choices. If I have a choice to live there, I think I am not gonna live there. Speaking Part 3, Questions and Answers, Discussion Topic. Different types of home. 1. What kinds of home are most popular in your country? Why is this? Gone are the days when mostly people would live in their large parental houses which used to be sufficient for joint family. Today families are becoming nuclear. They prefer to live separately in modern houses which are for 3 to 4 members. People are not reluctant to live in traditional houses, inclined to build modern days houses with costly equipments. Earlier houses were a place to have a roof overhead. Today houses are symbol of status and lifestyle. 2. What do you think are the advantages of living in a house rather than an apartment? Living in an apartment may cause certain issues, like insufficient space, no access to sunshine during the winter and shadow in the summer. Apartments are not built according to the builders. Houses are personalized, can be planned as we want. We can put things in order and change them too. This facility is not rendered in apartments. We can bask in the sun and have part in our houses. 3. Do you think that everyone would like to live in a larger home? Why is that? Houses are more than a place living space where we spend our life. People do desire to have big houses. There is no denying the fact that there are 3 to 4 members in a family and a small house can cater to their needs. But they want a big house. Because they are instigated by movies, advertisements and lifestyle of celebrities. People from sound economic background own spacious and beautiful houses. So people want to follow them. This motivation leads them to build or buy larger houses at present. Finding a place to live. 1. How easy is it to find a place to live in your country? In rural areas it is not difficult to find a place to reside. Because there is lot of space available and reasonable amount of money. But in countryside it may be annoying not to find up-to-date facilities. In urban areas you can find perfect place to live with modern facilities but the price are too much high. Even well-earning family knock the door of the bank to sanction a home loan. It may be irritating to pay installments every month. If you miss any installment it may lead to fine and high interest rates. 2. Do you think it is better to rent or to buy a place to live in? Why? Owning a house is very crucial. It is a dream of every human being to have his or her own house where he or she can live with family. It keeps you stress-free and comfortable if you have your own house. A rented house is not something that can allow you be happy. Paying rent may imbalance your budget and lead you to work overtime. There is not security living in rented house. You cannot make any changes there. Residing in rented house is a compulsion for most of the people around the world. Enter your text age 3. Do you agree that there is a right age for young adults to stop living with their parents? What is that? Well, I am double-minded about the question. We the citizens of Bangladesh love to live with our parents, we never imagined living separately. There are some purposes living, studying, working and having anything special or serious may make up our mind to stop living with our parents. There are some societies in Western countries where adults opt to leave their parents at certain age. I believe that we must live with our parents. Their experience of life can help you live a better and happy life. Thank you. If you have any questions then comments please.